Hello everybody. Welcome to the channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet effective massage oil. We are going to use our DIY massage oil recipe blend. The video to that recipe is linked in the description box below. Get your formulation notebook ready and write down this recipe. Essential oil massage recipe blend, 2 grams. Fractionated coconut oil, medium chain triglyceride, 50 grams. Extra virgin olive oil, 48 grams. How to make effective massage oil. Mix the essential oil blend with your fractionated coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. Keep it in a dark bottle and allow it to settle for 1 week. Use when needed for body massage. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more DIY beauty product recipes. To learn how to make beauty products to sell, visit Green Beauty Chemist formulation site at StableCosmeticFormulas.com. Happy formulating and thanks for watching. See you in our next video.